Hi everyone, my name is Sean, and today there's a Japanese knives event here in Asakusa. I'm very excited to check out traditional Japanese artistry, so let's go take a look.
Now is your chance to take photos and videos.
Japanese knives trace their roots back to traditional Japanese swords. The fire forging process, known as izukuri, is a time-honored technique. Steel is heated until it glows red, then shaped on an anvil with repeated hammering. Next comes the heat treatment, a process that breathes life into the steel, making it even harder and sharper. Finally, the blade is polished through several stages of fine finishing. Unlike Western knives, which are usually double-edged, Japanese knives are typically single-edged. The result will be a smooth, elegant cut that preserves the natural texture and beauty of the ingredients. They're known for their ability to create beautifully clean cuts, with a sharpness that continues to inspire chefs all around the world. Each knife is a reflection of the craftsman's skill and passion, creating unique pieces that are cherished not only in Japan, but by fans around the world. Wow, what a festive event it was today. I was taken over by the passion and effort put in by the Japanese artists to create these each uniquely different Japanese knives. If you want to experience these Japanese traditional culture firsthand, please come to Asakusa. Thank you.